Hello, in today's video I will show you a ChatGPT tutorial. For the second time, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to dive into the world of the conversational artificial intelligence with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, and in this tutorial we will walk you through a process building your own AI chatbot using ChatGPT. So let's get started. So when you go to your internet browser, you will go to openai.com and log in into ChatGPT using your Microsoft account or your email to make an account. So ChatGPT can be used for simple questions like the population of the USA, and it will give you your answer, or some a little bit harder questions like you can use it for coding or something else. You can code a game and it will put you your code that you need if you ask it. And this tutorial can be very long. I can put you everything. I could put everything in it, and it will be approximately 1 hour long. So I was thinking the best way to explain ChatGPT is by and his strengths, to show you its strengths, is to ask GPT to do it. So ChatGPT in this video will introduce itself to you by using ChatGPT. So yeah, let's go AI. So the main introduction for ChatGPT, it's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI, the company, and it can generate human-like texts and engage in interactive conversations, making it perfect for building chatbots that it is. And let's go and see what we can do with it. So this is the ChatGPT site. This is where you can send a message. First thing is setting up an environment for ChatGPT. That is the main thing. You can set up your environment, and I will put that question in setting an environment for GPT. Can you help? Can you help? Okay, and we ask it. So, sure. And here is the answer from ChatGPT. So guys, ChatGPT in few seconds give us the answer for setting up the environment. Of course, I can show you everything, but for the quickness of the video, I will only show you this. That can be this theme can be setting up, can be a separate video that I think I will make, and you can ask in the comments and we can make it much detailed. So in the start, ChatGPT he tells us, okay, for first thing, choose a platform. You will need to decide where you want to run ChatGPT. It can be hosted on a cloud-based virtual machine, VM, or a local server of any environment that's supporting running Python code. Python is an application for coding. So, and it tells you again what you need to do step by step. That is the point of this AI. You can ask it everything. Absolutely everything, and it will show you the steps. If it doesn't show you the steps, you can ask it, can you please show me the steps? Okay, you don't need to say please to an AI. You can but it will show you and write everything you need to do step by step. So the second one, install dependencies. ChatGPT requires certain Python packages to function properly. Some common dependencies including TensorFlow, yada yada yada, OpenAI, and so on and so on. It shows you step by step what to do. That is the power of AI. So if you follow every of these steps, how I can set up a authentication, okay, configure hyperparameters, okay, implement user interface, okay, test and debug, okay, and develop and monitor. So if you are following every of these steps, you will set up your environment. That is the power of ChatGPT. Of course, I will show this how I'm doing in a separate tutorial, that this video will not be too long. So if you can see that are major steps and you can follow it absolutely alone, that's not a big problem. It's a absolutely magnificent AI bot. So the second thing that we need to do then is creating a ChatGPT project. Okay, we set it all up. We need now a project. And ChatGPT can give us the idea for the project. So we are going to ask it again. ChatGPT, a project. Okay, guys, let's go. In a few seconds, creating a ChatGPT project, ChatGPT gives us an answer. So set up the environment for the project. Choose a platform, install dependencies, set a authentication, and configure hyperpermanence. Okay, it gives you everything, and it gives you much more step by step you need to do. If you're interested in this, you can pause the video and read it all, or you can also use ChatGPT alone and ask it the questions. That is the point of this video. You can use it, you can ask the questions, you can see everything that is offering, and it's offering everything, of course, yes. Set I implement ChatGPT logic. You can it puts step by step what you need to do, how you need to do. Of course, you can put everything on that and ask it more questions about that theme. So define input and output format. Determine how user prompts will be provided to ChatGPT and response will be generated. So you can ask it again, so it can explain it much more into details. That is the huge point. The third step is building a user interface. So you can follow it step by step, develop and monitor, step by step follow, and every step you can ask it again for more steps that you need to do. So of course I will do this everything in a separate video, much more detailed. This is only for informations, and every information you can use by yourself and ask for your information ChatGPT. That's the point of the program. So the third step for me is defining the chatbot purpose and functionality that it will do for our project that we now find and knew. So we got a project now and we will define it. So I will ask the question. So guys, let's go. We asked ChatGPT, define the chatbot purpose and functionality. In a few seconds we got the answer. So for first, identify and purpose, you can read it all. Define target users, outline functionality, determine international flow, choose input and output formats, everything. You can also, how I said, ask it again for more much details, step by step, how to do, I don't know, implement safety measures. I will show it in another video, but you can ask it if you want to do it alone. The best way to get into it, plannings of scalability, iterate and improve, and so on and so on. That is the third thing. So we are defined the chatbot purpose and functionality. So what's the other thing? Okay, for configuring ChatGPT input and output format will be a very good question to ask it how to do it, and step by step that we will get from it. So guys, in a few seconds we have our answer to configuring a ChatGPT input and format. So guys, we have our answer in a few seconds. ChatGPT give us the input format, text-based input, and for the second, stretched input, so structured input. So you can ask it all again, you can ask it question by question, step by step, or you can just follow it down. Output format, text-based output, structured output. It gives you everything. You can ask it again, I say, question by question, step by step, formatting and styling, error handling. Okay, it shows us every the steps, and of course you can get more steps, one step by step how to actually do it. Of course, a video on our channel will be there where we do it for you step by step, so you can visually see it. Okay, we configured ChatGPT input and output. So what is next? Next is training the chatbot with simple data. Yes, that will be next for us. So guys, here we go. We got our answer in a few seconds. So the answer is explained by ChatGPT step by step how and what to do in that process. So collect and prepare training data, how to do it. You can also, I say again and again, you can ask it how to collect and prepare training data, and it will answer step by step. And that steps, you can ask it again. You will get everything that you need to do it step by step. Of course, not a visual thing, but that is the point. In this video, I want you to know how to use ChatGPT, not just to copy me what I'm doing, but how to use it properly and how to manage, how to get more of ChatGPT. Okay, second step, process the data. The third, chose training algorithm, and so on and so on. And so we get our training the chatbot with simple data, step by step. It's crazy. So what will be the next step for me? The main steps, it will be testing and refining the chatbot response. Yeah, that is a very big question, and wow, and we'll ask it. And so guys, the next question, the next answer, ChatGPT gave us the answer step by step how to test and refine the response of ChatGPT bot. So, test the sample inputs, solicit user feedback, analysis chat logs, and so on, refine the response. Of course, everything can be asked again, step by step. Use it, be smart with it, play with it. It can give you all the answers you need for everything that you are doing, for every project that you are doing. So the last step for me for using it properly for any project, everything you need, is deploying the chatbot for real world interactions, so it can react. So interact, we will ask it. So guys, the last question and the last answer, deploying the chatbot real world interaction. So we get step by step how to do it. Of course, every step can be asked again to show it. Choose deployment platform, prepare deployment environment, integrate chatbot into platform, test in real world environment, monitor and maintain, so on and so on. Everything is put from ChatGPT, everything, every step is answered, how to do it. Of course, you can play with it, chat with it, you can ask it everything you want, ask every step to much more steps, how to do it, how to do that step, and you will get the answer. Just follow it, everything is good with it. So that are my main steps how for ChatGPT tutorial. If you follow all these steps, you will get what you want from it. Of course, the simple questions, you can ask it everything. But if you want a project for ChatGPT, sure. The first thing, like I said, for me is setting up the environment for ChatGPT. Of course, I will show it in a separate video, like everything from it, from today. But you can ask it yourself. You can train yourself how to use it for everything else that that you don't need to look at videos and search for help. You can everything do by yourself using ChatGPT in a few seconds. Okay, the first thing, setting up the environment for ChatGPT. Okay, the second thing, creating a ChatGPT project. The third one is defining the chatbot purpose and functionality. The fourth, like we said, configuring ChatGPT input and output format. The fifth, training the chatbot with simple data. The sixth, testing and refining the chatbot response. And the seventh, for me, deploying the chatbot for real-world interactions. If you follow everything of it, you will make your ChatGPT easily. So, for me, the conclusion, setting up and deploying a ChatGPT bot involves several key steps that we said, including defining its purpose and functionality, for configuring input and output format, training and refining the model with simple data, selecting hosting a platform, setting up the deployment environment, implementing a user interface, setting up communication channels, testing its production environment, monitoring and optimizing and maintaining and updating the chatbot. That are the main things that we are doing with it. Once a chatbot is deployed, the operational, it is important to consistently monitor its performance, collect user feedback, and make necessary updates. to ensure its effectiveness and accuracy. That's the main part. Regular maintenance and optimization will help your chatbot to stay relevant and provide a seamless user experience that you will get by using these steps and asking it questions. Other next steps may include further refining a chatbot response, adding additional functionalities and features, expanding its capabilities, and integrating it with other systems and platforms. Of course, everything you can ask ChatGPT, and it will give you the questions how to do it. Additionally, you can analyze user interface, gather feedback, and make improvements based on the insights gained from the real-world interactions. So remember to keep up to date with the latest advancements in natural language processing, like NLP and machine learning technologies, to continuously enhance your ChatGPT chatbot and provide the best possible experience for your users that you are mainly including. So guys, that is it for today's quick tutorial. In this tutorial, like I said, I wanted in a quick way, not a long video, show you only the informations that you need for a ChatGPT tutorial. Every information includes are the main informations, the main steps that I from experience think that are needed, and every steps that I show you today, I will show it again in a separate video so you can see it visually. So the main point for me that you see the strength of ChatGPT, today it introduced itself to you. You can use it, try it, play with it, you can get every answer from it. It's a very nice program, AI. Use it, I said it, use it, play with it. You can watch this video, take all information you need from this video. You can ask it all these questions like this, creating a ChatGPT project. Again, you can ask it, it will give you the same answer like mine. You can copy paste, okay, choose a platform. For a local server, please help. Okay, you can ask it again, and it will give you down there again, certainly, and it will give you step by step. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you want more in visual ChatGPT projects that need time, please share, like, and subscribe, support our channel. Put any question in the comments, we will try and take time to show it in much more detailed, or just in the information that you need, and then we will put the much more detailed videos afterwards, after your responses. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.